Today, guys, we ain't doing no makeup tutorial. It ain't no chit chat, get ready with me. But I am going to fill out a load of Halloween treat bags for the trick-or-treaters. I have been a Graveyard Girl fan for quite some time, but I always used to watch her Halloween videos where she used to do like the treat bags and follow me around spirit Halloween videos and stuff like that. I love them, and one thing I always said was whenever I get my own house, I'm going to absolutely love Halloween, and I'm going to make such an effort with everything when it comes to Halloween because I love it. I love Halloween. Give me Halloween over Christmas anytime. So that's what I'm going to do. I have everything laid out on the table. Don't get me wrong, this is nowhere near the sheer amount of stuff compared to what Bunny would have in her videos, but we've just moved here obviously. We've only been living here about 4.5 months now at this point, so I don't even know if we're going to get any trick-or-treaters. That would just be my luck. So I didn't want to go crazy with buying a whole load of stuff and it not going to anybody. So yeah, obviously I'll see how it goes this year, and then like maybe next year if I want to do it again I will, and I'll maybe make more of an effort next year and go a little wilder next year. But yeah, we're going to see how it goes. I'm going to fill these wee bags with you, show you what I got, and hopefully the kids around here love it. And they love me. This is everything that I've got. What are these? Mini brain gunk. Jesus, good God. I swear to goodness, like the parents around here are going to love me. Sour lollipops, and then this is just like a wee mixed bag of like lollies, fizzers, drumsticks, refreshers, love hearts, and just wee fruity pops. I have a bunch of, you know, like them wee chocolate coins, and obviously they're just wee Halloween ones. We have wee skulls, wee spiders, pumpkins. I thought these were pretty cute. So obviously just throw a win of these in the wee bags. And then I have these wee gumballs. Now, I have 10 bags to fill. These are just like wee bags that I got from B&M. So obviously each kid is going to get a bag each, obviously. And I just realised that there's 10 bags and there's only 6 of these. So yeah, so there's only 6 of these, and I think there's only 6 of these, so I don't know, it just kind of depends what I pick at the time. So yeah, these are just like wee bubblegum balls, and then we have these gummies. These obviously come apart into like one wee card, these wee gummies, and then we have these wee Cadbury's goody heads. I've actually never tried them, so I might actually have one of them myself actually, but we'll see. So I have 2 packets of them. And I got these in Lidl's the other day. These are the Halloween tongue piercer sweets. Popping candy, love that. And then here we have just like a bunch of wee chews. We have refreshers, Mr. Chew, fudge refreshers, and drumsticks. Oh, we have a sour refreshers than the normal one. Oh, okay. I might actually steal some of them for myself. And I'm definitely going to steal some of these. I'm honestly like the biggest kid of all. We have gummy body parts. Yummy. Yummy. So we have eyeballs, teeth, fingers, brains. Couldn't beat it, like. And then we have gummy eyeballs. And I think because I'm such a good girlfriend as well, I'm of course going to have to make COLLAB a wee bag too. Woo. Oh my goodness, look at all these sweets. Oh, piss right off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You only get 7 heads. What a rip-off. Okay, I'm gonna try one of these. I'm really intrigued by this. So this is a strawberry flavour Brain Blaster Mini Brain Gunk. Okay. God, what am I doing to these kids? Seriously. Oh my god, I think my eyelids are turning inside out. Holy shit. Oh, I really like sour stuff. Love it, but fuck me. Oh. Oh, kids, I'm sorry. Public announcement, I'm sorry. I'm filming this on my phone, by the way, so if the writing is the other way around, I do apologise. I think they're quite nice, actually. And then we have two of them, which they're quite cute too. Damn it, and then they're quite cute too. Are they all cute? This is supposed to be Halloween, they're supposed to be frightening. Oh, and they're wild cute as well, actually. Look at the wee popcorn. Oh. I am going to be so chuffed handing these out to kids, honestly. I'm just going to have them in a wee box just at the front door. But I'm going to try and get rid of these first of all, so we'll give you one of them. And we'll give you two of the brain gunks. An orange lolly, a strawberry lolly, and an apple lolly. One of the wee, what are they? Wee creepy jelly. I'm literally just going to be lifting just at random here. And then a couple of these wee sweets. I'm not too sure what these are going to be like actually. Will we give 5 each? 6 each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some body parts, shall we? Can't forget the body parts. We'll give a couple of eyeballs, some teeth. I did see a finger somewhere. And a finger and a brain. Love that. A couple of gooey heads. And then, let me see. One of each of these, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look how cute that is. Awesome! And then a chewy thing. There we go. So that's it. That's one wee bag done. I was actually thinking of maybe including some other wee bits and bobs in the bags actually, like, and I know this might sound quite bad actually, but I was actually thinking of putting sparklers in the bags, but obviously for like health and safety reasons, maybe not. And I was going to put in like stationery and stuff, like wee Halloween notebooks, rubbers, pens, pencils, and like Halloween stickers and everything. I don't know, I was just going to go absolutely crazy, but obviously as I was saying there, I'm not too sure like how well this is going to do. I'm not too sure how many trick-or-treaters we're going to get because we literally are out in the country, we're in the arsehole of nowhere, and there's only like a couple of kids around our area, so I'm just kind of hoping that it kind of pays off, or else me and Kyle have a lot of eating to do. Can't help myself, I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna have a brain. Quite nice. I'm gonna have one of these wee sweets as well. Do you know what, they don't even look that nice. I thought they were gonna be like all different colours, but they're not. Tell me this, does anybody like fizzers or love hearts? Are these not the most disgusting sweets ever? Although I have to say, I like Parma Violets. Parma Violets are definitely my favourites. But you see, like them types of wee sweets, or like even these lollies here. Oh my god, I hate them. Oh look! Oh, this is so cute. Look at them all. So I've just brought this down from my filming room. This is the wee box that I've actually started keeping like my empties in, so I just thought I would empty it and just put all these wee bags in here and just keep them in the box at the front door until we get some trick-or-treaters. Okay, that's just gonna have to do. I'll obviously keep you up to date on whether we get trick-or-treaters. If we don't, I'll obviously let you know in my tutorials. Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching. Do let me know what yous are doing for Halloween. Are you dressing up? Are you going trick-or-treating? Have you got kids? Are you taking your kids trick-or-treating? Do you wish you were coming to my house? Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.